It's a little more than 2 weeks before we open officially, but I've got a couple bikes to do before then. I've had about enough of doing the office administrative bullshit, so I'm gonna do some actual work. First time in wrench in, I don't know, 4 months or so. So today we're at least gonna get the transmission out of this RT and see what the splines look like. So, you're welcome to join us. Jack's here to help today. And now we begin. Gotta point out, these splines are wasted on the clutch disc. Splines on the input shaft, while they're not perfect, they're not worn enough for me to even recommend changing them. So we are just got the clutch pack out. Let's see what they look like here. Oh, there we go. Not a lot of bluing. That's good. It means it's being used properly. I don't even need my micrometer. This disc is almost in nearly new condition as far as wear goes. So all of that is functioning well. This is a low mileage bike anyway. It's got 22,000 on it. So we're good. So we're going to install the modified disc, which I'll show in a second, and put this back together. Modified clutch is in, Beemer Boneyard slave cylinder installed, and the system is bled. So, all in all, not too bad for a first day back. A little more tomorrow.